Welcome to Opinion Stage. In this video, I'll show you how to add an opinion stage quiz, poll, or survey to WordPress. On our WordPress website, let's install the Opinion Stage plugin. This is a very useful and easy way to add opinion stage items to our WordPress website. To begin, visit Plugins and click on the Add Plugin button. Search for Opinion Stage. Here, we can install the plugin and log into our account or create a new one. For us, the plugin is already installed, so we do not see the installation option. Click Opinion Stage on the left panel. Let's now create an account so we can make sure the plugin is fully configured. This will help us easily start using Opinion Stage. We just need to enter our email address, fill out a short form, and everything will be set and ready to start. Since we have a brand new account and there are no items yet, let's create one. You can create a new item from scratch, use AI, import your questions, or start with the template. We'll quickly create a new item with AI. We support many different item types, and this time we'll be creating a knowledge quiz. The topic will be related to our WordPress article where we want to use the item. There are two ways to add an item to your WordPress site. You can either use a shortcode generated in Opinion Stage or use the Opinion Stage block directly in WordPress. First, let's see how to add an Opinion Stage item to your WordPress site with a shortcode. Once the item is ready, we go to the Share tab and copy the shortcode from the WordPress tab on the left-hand side. Then, we open our WordPress post where we want to add an item and simply paste the shortcode. We can preview the changes to see how it looks. We can also add an item directly in the post with our plugin. Let's use this post as an example. In this case, we will add a personality quiz related to the topic. Adding this quiz will help boost engagement. To edit the post or page, we click the plus button and search for Opinion Stage Quiz, Poll, or Survey. In this case, we choose Opinion Stage Personality Quizzes. We can either create a new item or select an existing one. Since this time our item is already created, we will choose Select Item and click Insert. Once it's inserted, we simply publish the changes or save the draft. We can also preview the post in a new tab to see how it looks. Now, let's add an item in the classic editor. We will use this page as an example. To add an item to your page, click the Add Opinion Stage Item button and choose the item you would like to add. Once it's inserted, you can preview your changes. We can see that it looks great in our article and it's fun and easy to go through. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy creating your items with Opinion Stage.